Welcome to Jiangsu Liangyi Co., Limited, a professional manufacturer of 904L forged parts located in Jiangsu, China. With over 25 years of experience in forging production, Jiangsu Liangyi supplies custom 904L, also known as UN SN 08904, for demanding industrial applications around the world. 904L is a low-carbon, high-alloy austenitic stainless steel developed for highly corrosive environments. It offers excellent resistance to sulfuric acid, chloride-related corrosion, and stress corrosion cracking, making it a strong choice for critical service conditions. At Jiangsu Liangyi, we produce a full range of 904L forged products, including forged bars and shafts, seamless rolled rings, hollow forgings, sleeves, discs, blocks, and custom valve or pump components. Our factory is equipped with 6302 hydraulic forging presses and supports in-house forging, heat treatment, machining, and non-destructive testing. All production follows ISO 9001-2015 certified quality standards. We also provide EN 10204, 3.1 and 3.2 mil test certificates to support international project requirements. Our 904L forgings are widely used in oil and gas, petrochemical processing, marine engineering, power generation, and corrosion-resistant fluid systems. If you are looking for a dependable China forging supplier for custom 904L components, Jiangsu Liangyi Co. Limited is ready to support your project with quality manufacturing and global delivery.